How to write better YouTube titles that get clicks, increase watch time, and grow your YouTube channel fast. If your titles aren't getting clicks, your videos won't get watched. Simple as. No matter how good your content is, that is why mastering titles is one of the most powerful ways to grow your channel fast. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to craft titles that make people stop scrolling and click instantly and watch your content. First, let's talk about what makes a title clickable. Titles can work when they are combined with curiosity, clarity, and value. Curiosity makes people wonder. Clarity tells them exactly what the video is about, and value promises them a reward for watching. But here is a trick most creators miss. The first few words of your title matter the most. They are what appear in search results, suggested videos, and mobile screens. If those words don't grab attention, viewers will scroll past your video in an instant without even thinking twice. So now here's a secret many successful YouTubers use. Use numbers and specific promises. A title like 5 ways to grow on YouTube, yeah, works better than grow on YouTube. Why? Numbers give structure and make the video seem easier to digest. They create an expectation that people can follow along and actually learn something actionable, but there is more to it than just numbers. Keep watching because later I will show you the exact phrasing tricks that make these numbers irresistible. Yes. Another mistake creators make is using vague or generic words. Titles like tips for YouTube. Wow. They don't tell viewers anything about what they will get. Instead, you want to use power words to evoke curiosity and emotion like secret, fast, proven, or insane. These words, they trigger curiosity, making people want to know more. And here's a tip that most people ignore. Combine power words with clear outcomes. For example, proven ways to double YouTube views in 7 days gives both curiosity and clear values. Open loops are your next secret weapon. You can hint in the title at something intriguing, but save the full explanation for the video itself, right? For example, a title like the number one YouTube mistake everyone makes, in brackets, you won't believe it. It creates an open loop. Okay, viewers click because they want to discover what the mistake is. And once they are in the video, keep sprinkling small open loops to maintain curiosity. For instance, tease that a second tip later will blow their mind, or that a mistake they're probably making will be revealed near the end. So thumbnails work hand in hand with titles. Even the best title won't get clicks, okay, by itself. If the thumbnail doesn't complement it, make your thumbnail readable, bright, and clear on mobile screens. Include the few words that echo your title. Don't repeat your title on the thumbnail. And this creates agency. For example, if your title is 3 secrets to explore YouTube growth, your thumbnail could say secrets, inside, or watch now. You get it? Yeah. Another overlooked tactic is search intent. Think about what your audience is typing into YouTube. Titles that match exactly what people are searching for are more likely to get clicks. Definitely, yeah. Use tools like auto-suggest, keyword research, and competitor analysis to find what people actually type. Then phrase your title in the same way while keeping it catchy. Yeah. So this is what you do. You go on Google and type keyword research, and then on the list you will see the top. Basically, I trust the one by Google. There are many tools that are out there, but I just choose to use Google because I've got trust with them. So there you go. So access Google Keyword too, and it's free as well. You don't need to create a Google ad for you to use it. You still just can access it. There you go. So you can see I'm signed in at the top there in Google account or Google AdWord, and then you AdWords account. Then you come down here, you search for it. So you do the same as well with Google competitor analysis or auto suggest as well, like I suggested in the video. So you see it right here. You install it if you need to. I think you'll be able to use it on the computer, if not on the desktop. If not, just go ahead and install. And then if we scroll down, you'll see here we have another one, Google competitor analysis. Type that on Google as well, and you see already it includes keyword, Google Keyword Planner in it, and Google Trends. So these are helpful tools. Timing also matters. If your video is part of a trending topic or seasonal content, make that clear in the title. For example, YouTube growth tips 2025. Oh, back to school, YouTube strategy signal relevance. Don't rely on trends. Evergreen titles that stay relevant for months or years are crucial for your consistent growth. Finally, analyze and test your titles. YouTube Analytics can show you the click-through rates of every video. Experiment with different phrasing, power words, and numbers. Learn what works for your audience and iterate, right? So small changes can drastically improve time. To summarize the key strategies, hook viewers with the first few words of your title. Use numbers, digits, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, yeah, and specific outcome. So number and outcome. So 5 ways to get views, 5 ways to monetize fast, like that. Include curiosity and power words. Create open loops that make viewers click and watch, not just clicking, but click and watch. Complement titles with clear, readable thumbnails that are not mumbo jumbled with a lot of phrases. 2 or 3 phrases or words on the thumbnail are enough. Okay, so match your titles to search intent. Use trending or evergreen phrasing strategically. Test and optimize continuously. Don't be scared to change your titles if they're not doing well. Okay, go into things like ChatGPT or anyone you can think of, and it will suggest titles that are better for you. If you're not sure, drop me a comment. For the next step in growing your channel, check out our last video right here, how to use playlist to grow your YouTube channel. This video right here shows how playlist can organize the content your titles attract. You turning clicks into higher engagement and stronger engagement. How to use playlist to grow on YouTube. Today, we're going to talk about something many creators overlook, which are playlists. So playlists are not just a way to organize your videos. They can be a powerful tool to grow your channel fast. Okay, click this video right here and watch it. It's perfect follow up of what we learned today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in this video in the comment section. Let me know that you've just finished watching this video. See you then.